Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Palin. Sorry I can't be with you today, but I left you in great hands. Our standard today: I will practice my mouse and keyboarding skills by using Typing Club. I will log in with my first name and the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so let's review just how to do it. First, you're going to go to my website. You're going to look for the W, double click so you see the circle, and then once my website comes on, you are going to click on Hot Links. Hot Links is then going to take you to a page where you'll find Typing Club. Click on Typing Club, type in your first name, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and click Sign In. You'll get to your lessons page, Typing Jungle, and then Kindergarten. It'll also tell you your score and how many stars you've earned so far. Click Start. Remember, don't click on anything over here. Click Start. I believe you know what to do from here. You go to the lesson that has not yet been completed. I've completed 1, 2, 3, and now I'm on lesson 4. So you'll click lesson 4 to begin your program. So when time's called and you've finished, to log out, you'll click on the 3 lines right here. That's going to take you back to the lesson plan page. When you're at the lesson plan page, you'll see your name up here. You can click and log out. Now before I log out, I do want to show you one cool little thing though. Right here, this says Scoreboard. You can click on the scoreboard and see how you rank on all the kindergarten classes. So all of the kindergarten kids are on this page. You'll be able to see just how good you're doing. All right, and how many badges you've earned, how many stars you've earned, and how many points you have and trophies you have. All right, so I'm going to go on and log out now. I'm going to click on my name, Christina, and I am going to go to Log Out. And then I'm going to click on the red X in the corner after I've logged out to return to the blue or purple screen. Now one other thing I do want to say, if you don't find your W, you can raise your hand and the teacher will come by. And the teacher will click on Google Chrome and will type in the web address, which is www.misspalin.weebly.com, and my web page will come right up. All right. I will see you guys next week. Remember, when I do see you next week, we'll be testing, and I know you guys are going to do a great job. All right. Have a great day.